Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I suspect this is part 2, since that must have been part 1, and it's been sitting around for a while, and it looks a little messier than I want it to be. So over there, I can't do this very often, is an iridescent pink that I don't know where it came from, and a purple with golden iridescent pearl fine in it, and I think it was a dioxazine purple. There's the folk art turquoise color shift, a Hobby Lobby orange, a color shifting from folk art that's purple flash, my last year's mixed up mica powder gold, some Venetian blue from Modern Masters, some black that's just my artist loft and half color place semi-gloss from Walmart, and some Amsterdam color shifting. Where's the little tab? Little purple tab. I don't know which one it is. I gotta. If you ask me, I'll tell you. In any case, so I'm gonna play with this artwork as part 2, just with my squeeze bottles, because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, underneath the link tree, underneath the video. First blue link. And I've been trying to think to myself how I would want to start this. And I think I'm just gonna give myself permission to use the black in any way I see fit. And then I'll fill in with colors afterwards. I got to be a little careful because obviously the spout of the bottle goes down through. I kind of want to check out what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Look at it dimensionally. I may pull white into this, I may not. I don't want to completely obliterate everything I've got because some of it's not too without redemption. I am just going to keep turning to make sure I get something I like that feels balanced. So at some point in time you have to just trust that you have instincts and you know what you like. And if you go step by step as you go along, hey, I might be done in a minute. If you go step by step as you go along and you go, hey, do I like that? And you answer yourself. Don't get caught. My husband gets caught all the time. I'm like, who are you talking to? Myself. Alright, so I'm a little whacked. I'm having way too much fun right now. Just gave myself permission to do something I wanted to do forever. I like the spirals that are there, but the black spirals overlaid are really cool. And I'm feeling like I shouldn't be putting any of those other colors on there at all, but we have yet to see what I get up to. Can't trust me. Not with art, not with paint. Looks like I could put a trunk in there and have it be a tree now. Alright, so I think that's enough black for sure. And I'm pretty sure I can't hurt anything by adding gold. It'd be nice if it were open. If it's not a super clear tip, then maybe I'll get a more delicate touch. So I'm not going to work too hard at that. I'm just going to go and spiral around and loop-de-loop. Just wherever it feels good. I'm going to have to clear that tip. It's going to be very busy, that's for sure. And yeah, I definitely have to clean that tip out because I'm getting blobs. Let's see what I can do with a blob. Ooh, cool. I can add little spirals if I want to. Just dip into the black and steal some of it. Change the gold into something a little mixed. That's kind of fun already. I like that. Sort of stopped in mid-unscrew. Oh, that sounded interesting. Okay. Well, my tip was unclogged for the longest time. Let's see if it's better now. I don't want to go crazy. I really am craving that orange, I have to say. I'm not sure that operating squeeze bottles freely isn't an acquired skill. And making spirals. So that's better. There we go. Almost done with the gold. I want the orange, so I'm going to go for it. I don't want to put it everywhere, but I want it some places. Wow, I hope I don't hate this when I'm done. Oh, my purple flash is also plugged. It's a pretty busy thing. About this time, every time I go like, oh, maybe it's time to swipe. I'm just going to pick and choose places that I think I can get away with the purple flash, even though it's not coming out as cleanly as I would like it to. Probably a pipette would cure that. I swear I'm going to like this. I'm not going to let it be bad. But I think I'm going to keep moving on. Now this is an iridescent pink, and I don't know where it came from. I suspect it's an Art Minds product that isn't made anymore. Anytime I have heavy paint, I can dot, and nobody's telling me I can't dot. I really want some turquoise. The turquoise and the blue, I think, might make this what I want it to be. If I just add it where it seems like a good idea. And use what's showing through the background. Boy, that's super busy. Alright, I'm just going to keep following through my plan and hoping for the best. The blue helps a lot. I love this Venetian blue from Modern Masters. You know, I'm being called to this other orange. It's not hurting my feelings any. I do have GAC 800 mixed into all of my paint mixtures, and my paint pouring recipe is below the video in the description. When I find something super heavy, I'm just going to keep spiraling it out with whatever's close. I'm kind of feeling magenta coming my way. And if I have paint residuals on my skewer and I find a blob of gold like that, I'm just going to keep on using it. Because it's too much fun not to do. And it won't be a complete waste because there's cool stuff about this no matter what. Probably should not give myself absolute permission to play, but you know what? Here I am. And I kind of want to. I didn't use any of that Amsterdam, whatever it is. I have a bottle of it around here somewhere. I wonder. If I could find it quickly, I'd bring it back for you guys. There we go. I got it. Cool. So this is, who knows what it's going to look like either. It's Pearl Violet. So let's do it. Because the worst thing it'll do is show up and shimmer. And it is always a risk, but this seems like a risk worth taking. I'm being called to yellow. Which I'm always a little always a little dubious about. But it does draw the eye, and I like what it does. It's basically going on every color in the rainbow at this point. And I need to distract. I have a feeling this stuff's going to dry iridescent. But we'll find out. And it could be a dot attack tomorrow. I think I need a little bit more. Of that orange right there. Now I'm being called to magenta. And this is cool. I mean, yeah, it looks like a big thicket of spirals growing. I love, love, love the magenta. The magenta might help me feel better. If I thought I could do something to this, ooh, I love that. Like, drag a basting brush through and get away with it. I would probably do that. I think it's getting better. I'm not sure if adding more of anything to something that's already so darn complicated could be construed as better, but I'm hoping that I'm right. And I think I'm done, which means that I should tell you guys quickly to check not just the Amazon link on the link tree, but Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Look for my my over 1,500 videos organized by playlists, by the 100, and by genre on my YouTube channel. If I wanted some dots, would they be yellow? I think they would. So I love you guys. There's over 90,000 of you subscribed. Nobody seems to be watching at the moment, but that comes and goes. So if you watch the videos longer or when they come out on notifications, you help me out. And you can binge watch those playlists. Like I said, they're organized by genre and the 100. That was like a dog hair in there. Some people don't mind. I do. I don't particularly care for dog hairs in my artwork. I'm not sure this would have worked as well as it has, if it's worked in your opinion at all, without that white background, which is pretty cool. I do want to do a couple things, like spiral out the centers. I have a couple things just to see what that looks like. where things overlap. That's pretty cool. Spiraling out whatever I can reach. Alright, so I love you guys. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch longer, it's tremendous assistance. The comments you leave me boost my morale, and I think they count toward helpfulness also very much. So thank you guys for that. Thank you everybody who's shopped my Amazon link at no added cost to you, but it helps me out. My 2 books are there, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities, and the OXO Omelette Turning Spatulas, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst Spatulas. Looks like I've used up the others. So number 4, number 2, number 3, diagonal, rectangle, and pointy are all good. And so is the number 5. And the number 1 is my go-to. And oh, there it is. This is the oldest one. That's the number 1. I love that. Really do. Alright, so I'm just spiraling out anything I see that sort of has a whole lot of paint. And it just makes me think I'm growing a thicket of spirals. I'm trying to come up with a title, and it's not happening at this exact moment. But I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check Facebook groups under the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will allow you to see whatever artworks from YouTube I have edited and placed in the albums there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more. Takes you via Shop Now button to my Fine Art America and Pixels.com, which you can also find under the link tree. And please give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share my videos whenever possible. Thank you so much. And look under the video, under the description under the video, under Show More for my paint pouring recipes. If you guys got questions, please feel free to ask them. And just know that there is a drawing every month, and you can see what the prizes are included on the end screen video, the exhibition video. Loving those little colorful spirals at the center of things. Not bothering me a bit. So there are, in September 2020's drawing, there are 9 paintings, and the winner will get to choose 2 of them. At this point in time, I have the fewest entrants ever. PayPal and Patreon are the places that you can enter, and should you use them, you will be automatically entered, and I will send you a receipt of that via email. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. If I need something else, it might wind up being like, what, gold dots? White dots? I'm not sure yet. I think I'm done. Pretty sure. You know I warned you about that. So, whatever you see when you come back, you won't be shocked. But I'm going to keep playing with it until I run out of things to play with, so don't be surprised. I'm going to quick torch, release any bubbles caught in the paint. I will see you guys anon. I think I might want some more orange dots, or some more blue dots, or just some more dots in general. But I actually really like this. The more I look at it, the more it's growing on me. If I just twist the end of that dull skewer around right in my hand, I get a perfect little spiral in the middle of things, which is nice. You guys take care of each other. I mentioned that. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Out. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I don't think I ruined that at all. I'm sure someone disagrees with me. It's okay. We cannot all have the same taste. Bye for now. Priscilla out.